So guys, one thing you need to understand that you need to be social while growing your business, while growing your cake business on Instagram, because if you're not social, it will definitely affect you in some areas whereby find it difficult to grow your cake business on Instagram. Like why is social media? Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. So if it's the first time watching me in this video, my name is Blessing Chiamaka, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking around with me. If you're just watching me here, please kindly hit the subscribe button to get more videos. I also have other video recipes on my channel that you can actually watch to help your knowledge in regarding cake recipes. Okay, so hit the subscribe button to get notification of my videos. Okay, so welcome back guys, thank you so much. Okay, so today's episode of cake business teachings, I'll teach you guys how you can grow your cake business on Instagram. Okay, so the number one list here is what you have to be social, because guys, you have to be social. If you're not social enough with your cake business, trust me guys, you might find some difficulties while trying to get sales. And how can you grow your cake business on Instagram? What is by I said it's about you being social. Now, a lot of cake business owners actually make this mistake whereby they make posts and they don't engage on people's posts. You don't like people's posts, you don't even comment, you just go there and then you scroll up and down on the streets of Instagram, you don't even say anything. Like, how can we get to know you? How can prospects get to know you? And that's why it's social media guys. Social media, you have to be social, because if you're not social enough, nobody will know you. So the most important thing you need to grow your brand or grow your cake business is all about what you being social to people. When you see people's posts, try and like it, try and engage with it, comment, say something nice, comment strategically. Imagine you see an update on the street of Instagram as a cake business owner, and then there was a conversation going on, and guess what, you dropped a nice comment. Believe me, people will like, wow, who is this person that said this kind of thing? And what is the next thing they will do? They'll go to your post, they click on your profile, like they want to see what you have to offer, what you're selling, and before you know it, they scroll up and down your page, seeing what you have, and if they like it, trust me, they'll follow you and they will stick with you, because you've actually commented something nice, you commented strategically. Do you understand? Because those things you're doing for people to know your brand, not just or they're going to get to comment, but your things that people get to see you. So try to engage, try to be social. I remember 2017 when I was actually trying to grow my business on my cake business on Instagram. About that year, not really much people know me, but I got to understand that this thing, for people to get to know you and know your brand, you need to come out. Oh yes, you need to come out, you need to, as in, socialize to people, talk to people, even if you're not seeing them face to face, but comment, like people's posts. Don't just drop a post and then you disappear, and then you now expect an angel from heaven to help you when you're not helping yourself. Guys, do you understand what I'm talking about? It is social media, social. It's not all about selling. It's not all about selling. So if you're saying that you don't want to like people's posts, and tell me, how can they like your post? How can they comment on your post when you're not even being social? You don't go to other people's posts, other blogs. Let me tell you something, guys. There's this person I know on Instagram. She posts videos a lot. And when I mean posting videos, she entertains her followers on her page. She posts good. I think there's one thing you guys should know, that videos can make you go wild on your own with your cake business on Instagram. So learn to post videos, guys. So as I was saying, she kept on posting videos on her page. She kept on posting videos, and to me, I was learning so many things from her, because she's trying to sell something. And now guess what, guys, they have made her a brand influencer. Like, sorry, a brand ambassador, like more like in fact she's even a brand influencer now. All because of what she was, she was entertaining people, she was being social to people, and that like there's no how that she will post video to that she will not get much engagement. It's because she's always there in people's face, she's social, she entertains her followers, she makes them happy, and guess what, she's getting the reward now. So if you are watching me right now, you're not the kind of person that is social on Instagram, please, you have to do it for the sake of your cake business. Do you understand? So the most important thing you need to know, the number one point here, is that you have to be social. Even if you're not a cake business and you're watching me right now, guys, you need to be social. Do it for the sake of your brand. Comment on blogs, but you need to understand that if you're trying to comment on some different blogs or some comments, please always have at the back of your mind that you are using your business to comment. Because I'm not saying that you should not, you should not use your business, but if you're going to use your business name, your brand name, to comment on some posts, please, you need to be very, very careful, because so many people make this mistake of when they are trying to comment, they comment some nasty comment, forgetting that they are using their brand to comment on some posts. So what I'm trying to say is that comment strategically, say something nice. Say something whereby people see your comments, your engagement, they'll be like, they want to get to know you, they want to follow you and buy from you. Do you get? So try to be social. Don't just post today then you disappear tomorrow and you expect manna from heaven to fall when you're not even doing the work. Do the work yourself. Like people's posts, comment, go out there, go to the street of Instagram, look for beautiful posts you want to try to engage on, make new friends. Because most of the friends I have on social media, most of them I've not even met them, I've not even known them, but it's because they see me, probably they see the way I've commented, or they see the way I'm always out there. Come out, don't hide in your shell, guys. Like I said, do it for the sake of your brand. It's very, very important, because if you're not social enough, trust me guys, you might find some difficulties trying to grow your cake business. Try to follow some blogs. There are some good cake blogs out there. Try to help them, try to share some recipes, try to engage yourself. You need to understand that no matter what you're doing it for the sake of your brand. Try to be social, guys, because no one can tell where it's going to take you to. Imagine yourself trying to help some upcoming bakers today, and then one cake blogger sees you tomorrow, like, please, can you come and attend a cake seminar for me? Such stuff like this, it gets, it brings in reward later on. So you're doing it for the sake of your brand, and not just because I don't want anybody, like for the sake of your brand, guys. Do it, be social, engage, like people's posts, comment, say something nice, and with time your cake business will get to know with some top people. Okay, so that's for number one. And number two that you need to use to grow your Instagram business is what your cake Instagram business is hashtag. Guys, so many people don't know how to use hashtag for their business, and if you're selling on the street of Instagram, like you sell cakes on Instagram and you don't know how to use hashtag, believe me when I say that you are leaving money on the table, and it's not good for you. Sell your market. Guys, you understand? Sell your market with what? Hashtag. There are so many hashtags out there, but you need to be careful not to use the banned hashtags. I know you're wondering what's banned hashtag. Yes, there are so many banned hashtags out there that can make Instagram to even delete your post, or not even probably turn your post to something else or something. So try to use the common hashtags that people use. If you're using cakes in Lagos, cakes in Nigeria, bakers, some good hashtags, some community hashtags, some trendy hashtags. Use trending hashtag. When I mean trending hashtag, like for example, now what's trending now is BB Naija. BB Naija is trending. A lot of people are using it. So use such hashtag for your business. Stop leaving money on the table just because you make a post and you cannot even use the hashtag to sell your market. So that's another important tool you need to use to sell your market, to grow sorry guys, to grow your cake business on Instagram. Okay, so it's very, very important for you to use that hashtag. Is very important go to the search bar on Instagram, look for the number of good hashtags people normally use, and then try to use on your post often and often and often. If it's kitchen, cakes in Lagos, if you're in Port Harcourt, cakes in Port Harcourt, Port Harcourt baker, women in Port Harcourt, look for, go and look for your competitors and see the kind of hashtags they use. Believe me guys, it works. It works a lot, because even people from the abroad, from the US, Canada, they can even search you using local hashtag here. There are many of them that are like that. There are many like them, even those that are outside Lagos, outside your location. If you're based in Abuja, somebody in Lagos can decide to order from you by using cakes in Abuja. Do you understand, guys? If you're based in Abuja, guys, you're a baker, you're based in Abuja, and then a client in Lagos trying to search for a baker in Abuja, and then she types cakes in Abuja, and your own pops out. Like, do you understand? So your as in hashtags can make you to get some amazing customers. So learn to use good hashtags for your business. If you don't really understand what to use, try to check your competitors' posts and see the kind of hashtags they're using. And believe me, if your content is really nice enough, like if it is good, believe they want to buy from you. Hashtag works like crazy. I've experienced it countless. In fact, as I'm talking to you right now, I just closed the deal all the way from Enugu, and I had to ask the person, like, where did you get to see me? And then he said, that he typed cakes in so and so place, and then my name popped out. Like, it sounds so amazing, it sounds so nice, it sounds beautiful, because it means that your hard work on Instagram is not in vain. So guys, try to use hashtag, meaningful hashtag. Please don't just use anyhow branded hashtags. Use hashtags that can make people to locate you, that can make people to find. I do it because, for example, now if I want to buy something on Instagram, I can't really find what I'm looking for. All I can do is try to type to sound so person hashtag. And there was a time I was trying to get a particular cake tool, I couldn't find, because so many, in fact I didn't really see it. I had to type cake tools, and when I typed cake tools, so many of them came out. Like, so many people selling cake tools, they came out, and I had to select one I like and I search for what I want. So guys, customers, but there are so many customers on Instagram, guys, so many. You have your own customers on Instagram. The only way that you can't see them is if you're not doing the work very well. If you're not doing the work properly, you will not see them. But if you're putting in the hard work, if you're working hard, making sure that you are posting nice, you are engaging, you're liking people's posts, you are commenting, you're there always trying to be consistent. Believe me, there is no how it will definitely pay. It will definitely pay. Also use locations to sell to sell your cakes. That moment whereby if you're trying, when you look at this picture right here, you notice if you're about to post your cake picture, this place I said location, guys, that thing works like mad. It works. Whenever you're trying to post, please use location, because Instagram can decide to take your cake picture to somebody in Abuja or somebody in Lagos. If you're based in Lagos, you could say, okay, use any good location, probably Lekki phase 1, and then you put it there. Believe me, Instagram will take your post to Lekki. So if you're in Abuja and you type in, if you're based in Abuja, then you post the location called Kubwa. Instagram will take your post to Kubwa, and people that are there will definitely see you. And if they like your work, why not? They want to buy from you. So please, hashtag and location is very important for you to use it to grow your cake business. Believe me, you will sell. And if you're doing this thing constantly, it's not this that I'm telling you right now. If you're doing it constantly, guys, there's no how you will not want to sell. It will help your business to keep growing. Because the goal of this thing is that you want people to see you. Like, you want people to see you, to see your brand. Like, who doesn't love such thing? You want people to know your brand, to know what it's all about, know your cake business, know what you're doing. It's amazing, guys. It makes your hard work. It makes your hard work to know that yes, you're actually doing the right thing. So please be social, guys. Use hashtags, use location to sell your marketing, to sell your cakes. Use manifold hashtags. Okay, because if, for example, now there are good customers, try to select some location that you feel that people will be able to afford your cakes. Okay, so I think I've talked so much about that. And then the third one is give us amazing content, guys. Believe me, content is king in social media business. Content is king in social media, especially on Instagram. Instagram is a visual. So people like what, like as people love gist, people love entertainment, people love information, people love inspiring posts. Make your content inspiring, make it motivational, make it informative, make it entertaining, make it interactive. Guys, you understand me? At times, give us good content that will make us to laugh. It's not just all about buy today, buy tomorrow, buy. At times, give us some informations, do some giveaways. Giveaways is also one thing that can grow your cake business. I'm not saying that you should do giveaway all the time, but giveaway is another way that can make people to know your brand. Yes, trust me, it's very, very good. But if you're doing giveaway, it should be it should also be benefited to you as well. So give us good content that will make these are the things that can make your cake business to grow on Instagram. Believe me, guys, if all these things I've said right now, if you keep on doing it all the time, like you're doing it consistently without stopping, I guarantee you that you definitely see results. Because if you do it today and you do it next week, next 2 weeks, and then you stop, you will not see results, and then you see yourself starting all over and all over again. I'm telling you from experience, because such things has happened to me before. So you see, one thing in life is consistency. It's not about your business. If any area of your life, you need to be consistent in some certain things. Do you understand? So try to be consistent. Give us at times, put up a cake picture on your post. You mustn't sell. You could just give us something entertaining. You could just give us something that will make us laugh. Because there's some clients out there that are going through a lot. So at that point, they wouldn't want to start buying, but they want to get something that make them smile. Make your post, give them a happy interactive session. Like they want to smile, they want to laugh. Give it to them on your content. Let your content put smiles on their faces. Let your content be interactive with them. Engage them with gist. Like today, I was trying to make a post on my Instagram page. I tried to more like give them a quiz or something. I said, okay, anybody that win this thing, we definitely would win a slice of Black Forest cake for me. It's a content. I'm trying to make it interactive. I'm trying to make it fun. I'm trying to make my content to be fun, so they'll get to try to get it to be social, guys. So give us amazing content that is interactive, that is informative, that is entertaining, that's inspiring, and that is motivating. Okay, guys, so like I said before, if you keep on following these things I've said to you, by consistently following them, keep on doing the work, you will see result. The first one is you need to be social. The second one is you need to be use hashtags and location to grow your business. That one works like magic. Whenever you're always posting, please try to use a good location. The third one is give us amazing content that is interactive, inspiring, motivating, informative, and entertaining, guys. Okay, so I hope you understand these few tips on how you can grow your cake business, and I hope you got value. Please, if you do, please kindly hit the subscribe button to get more videos. Like this video and share this video to your different platforms on social media. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and do have an amazing time. Please don't you forget, I have other videos whereby you can actually try to watch that I'm helping your cake recipe business. Also, this video is an episode 2. I forgot to say in the introduction part. Please, this video is episode 2. Okay, and it's for more time, I'll try to put up more videos regarding cake business teachings. So don't you forget, cake business teaching is episode 2 for this particular one. So once again, thank you so much, guys. I really had fun trying to teach, because like I said before, it's not just all about recipes. If you're just here for recipes without knowing your left and right in the cake business world or in the business of baking, you'll be doing something wrong that you ask yourself, what am I doing? Without you, just because you don't understand the theory aspect of the business of baking. And I guarantee that from time, I'm always trying to give you guys amazing content in regards to the business of baking. So thank you so much for watching. Click on the subscribe button. That subscribe you're seeing right now, click on it to get notification of my videos when I upload. So it's a goodbye from me to you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.